Okay, so continue from the little break in there. I don't know if you recognize this little break. In the PSQL tool that works, you're able to run a command to show our to
Hello,
describe
sir.
the coordinate system that are stored within PostGIS. Remember that PostGIS will come in different versions and will be
So
updated
still
constantly for that.
mine is still not working. I don't know.
So he struggles, the student,
So
to
the
write
PS.
PSQL. Eventually he will, because he's the only one who is truly following. Such a shame. And here we're running commands. The command up there is describing the EPSG code 4326, the kind of spheroid being used, and more. All right. And so we have to leave this place because it's just a student. A tutorial always takes a longer time. So the difference between the query tool, the PSQL tool, is that you can run certain commands that you have to flag. You cannot start with a flag, a backslash. In the PSQL tool, in the query tool, you can. You have to start with statements like select statements. Okay. And more. All right, create statements. All right, because we learn about the different SQL statements. Okay. Yes, yeah, SQL statements that are for simply, making queries. There are queries that grant users a certain role. All right, so we categorize SQL statements. You can read the lecture notes. Okay. Sorry about that. I have an itchy throat right now. I'm showing the student how to run a simple SQL statement to create a table. I think this has been explained in the previous lecture, but we still go over it again. So the create statement so here you need a column name and need the data type.
Yes, I'm here. So, yes, I'm putting it in. I'm trying it.
This is being done in Notepad. You can just copy this and paste it. That we shouldn't forget that at the end of every SQL statement there should be a semicolon. For the Posrgresql, that's the syntax. Okay.
I think it's I7.
There's I9. For now, that is what I'm aware of.
Because of versions, you have to be careful when you use the tutorial material. The version that you install may not be nowadays. So always use latest versions. I think that's the rule of thumb. Okay. So here in the browser, I'm trying to explain to them, where to find the table that you just created. You need to refresh for it to show up. Okay, you need to refresh. So as we do that, we can actually see that it's an empty table, but it shows the column that we are.
I'm trying to refresh it. Is that the reset layout?
That's not the reset. Refresh is refresh. Okay. So students learn how to create tables.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm having yes.
Alright, so there are so many
Then
tables showing up in the public schema. So in the every data table, there's a schema and different, you have public schema. You can create your own, you know, different tables under the public schema.
so
Alright.
I added through that way and it works.
you add through another row.
Maybe instead of dragging it, you rather add it like how you add a normal shape file.
Okay, so here we're back to adding shape files. Yeah,
Yeah.
and I think a lot of them are struggling with doing that. That's because I'm about to show them how to move a shape file into Posrgresql. Excuse me, sneezing. It's the season that we are in Ghana right now. It's a Ghana regions map that we are going to get into our database, our Postgres database. Okay, so there you go. Maybe I'm doing more that's not showing, but I can see the screen is not really changing. It's been just a Ghana regions map. Alright, but basically what you're trying to do,
Wahala, but I say my admin is not working.
yeah, you hear my baby's crying. Okay, I think I'm switching on the mic now.
Oh no, I mean I entered the credentials and the
After
credentials.
the username and the
Okay, so
password.
here there's a lot we are doing that's not showing. Connecting the database, you need to go to database and then do the connection. But before you do that, you need to pretend to be adding a PostGIS layer, and then you create a connection. Okay, so that is not showing, which is a shame. Yeah, because that's a very important part of this tutorial. Yeah, but that's what I just said. You need to go to layers, add PostGIS layers, and create a new connection. Then you can also go to database and database manager, and to now see your connection over there. And then you can also do the importation of shapefile to PostGIS over there. And all that doesn't seem to show. That's why you see only the regions map throughout. So
Please.
we have to just at a point.
Yeah. Yes.
Even though my mic is on, I can't hear myself speak. Okay, so here I think
Yeah.
we added the PostGIS layer. We've imported it and
So
so we've missed the most important part.
You said we should select geometry.
Someone struggling with
what I'm seeing.
importing their shape file, but the whole reason is because his database is not specially enabled. Okay, which is very important. So
No, and I'm seeing only two
find a way to
columns.
create extension. Very important. Okay.
Yeah,
I still cannot be heard. That's quite shocking.
there's not that plenty. Like, because
Okay, so that's it. Probably early here. Here I show a query, how to actually query our map from Posrgresql. So our map of regions is now showing up in the database because we've imported it. Okay. Alright, great. So basically that is that. Okay, so thank you so much, and hopefully we will, I don't know, do another video. But there are other videos related on my channel which you can look at. I'll publish other links, or probably let it be the next video to pop up. Alright, sorry for this whole interesting way to organize a YouTube video, but then it's critical that I share this now.